The programming language Python was created by this guy, Guido van Rossum. He is the BDFL, Benevolent Dictator for Life, as the community called him. This was until he stepped down from the position in 2018. He has been at it for a while, though. Python was first introduced in 1991. It since has exploded in popularity and became the #1 programming language in the world in 2020. Although Python is better at some tasks than others, it is a general-purpose language, meaning you can do almost anything with it. The things that it's most used for are applications, web development, machine learning and AI, data science and data visualization, and web scraping. Because of this, the language this man created is used by a whopping 8 million people. From this project, he has earned a whopping $0 million. You don't have to pay any money to use Python because it's open source. Python is used for projects big and small. Some of the biggest examples of companies that developed using Python are YouTube, Google, Facebook, Reddit, and Spotify. Although Python was written in C, about 68% of it is now written in Python. In order to create the language to the point where it is now, it took 2.9 million lines of code. To compare that to some of the sites mentioned that it was used for, Google, 2.8 billion, Facebook, 62 million. An entry-level Python developer salary in the USA is $88,492. If you want to learn Python for yourself, a book I recommend is Python Crash Course 2nd edition. I will link to it down in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I would love if you could subscribe to see more videos like this one.